Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the LifeWave SP6 Complete Patch. Before I show you how they work and where to place them, I'd like to go over the language that LifeWave Corporation provides to all the brand partners in the United States. This is compliant language that we can share publicly, such as on a YouTube channel, about this particular patch. So here it goes. Set your wellness intentions with SP6 Complete. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise, SP6 helps you achieve a general state of well-being in harmony with your healthy lifestyle goals. Stimulates and reminds you to regulate your appetite. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise, the SP6 Complete Patch encourages you to maintain a general state of well-being and health. No drugs, no chemicals, no stimulants. All right, so we're going to get right into this. If you have never seen the patches, are pretty unfamiliar with them, I do want to mention that they are about the size of a quarter and they are waterproof. These are the official directions or instructions for SP6 Complete, and for short, we often just call this patch SP6. And here are the instructions. You're going to place one SP6 Complete patch on the body using any of the recommended locations shown on page 7. For optimal results, rotate the patch between the placements that provide you the most control of your appetite. Apply the patch to clean, dry skin in the morning. Patches may be worn up to 12 hours before discarding. Keep well hydrated while using this product. Do not use more than one SP6 Complete patch at a time on the body. Putting more than one of these patches on at a time will do you no good. The patches come in a sleeve or an envelope that has 30 patches. So one sleeve is a month's supply. I also want to mention when it says rotate the patches between the placements that provide you with the most control. So when you get these patches, you will begin by each day trying one of these locations. It really doesn't matter the order. You could try this one first, this one the second day, this one the third day, however you want to do it. You will make notes and reflect upon your experience in using these specific placements. And if there are placements or a placement that you don't think works as well as the others, just stick with the ones that work well. So for example, if you think this one on the top was not good for you for some reason and this one on the bottom, you could just stick with this one. Or maybe just this one wasn't great for you, but you felt like you had more appetite control with this placement and this placement, then just continue to rotate between those two. Another point I want to make is when it says stay well hydrated, I really recommend you hydrate well with water. These products work off the bioelectrical system of your body, and the better hydrated you are, the better they work. You may notice that all of these locations are on the left side of the body. This patch does have more of a negative charge, and it is important that you remember that you either place this patch center line. If you wanted to try any center line placements, you're welcome to, but these are the placements that were used in research and have proven to be very effective. So, and they are all on the left side of your body. So keep that in mind. This first location is about 4 finger widths above your inside left ankle. The second location is a little bit below the knee and justified out to the outer side of your left leg. And this location is behind the inside left ankle. So remember, this patch, SP6, left side of the body is what is recommended. If you have questions or have an interest in having me as your sponsor, please email me. My email is below. I would love to set up a time to possibly talk to you on the phone or Zoom with you and help you get your initial order placed. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll have more information about LifeWave and all things LifeWave coming every week, so you can follow me on this journey and learn a lot as we go. And with that, I thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.